Hi, so this is the Magna Color. How to swipe the dots back to their pen easily. So I have this. First technique, you should take one red Magna dot and put it on the top between, I don't know, so the swiper will lift out, and then you can swipe the dots easily. It will not stack up the dots. See, it's easy and it's fast swiping. Then swipe the red dot, and then you shake the dot, and then you put the magnet dots back into their corresponding color. As you can see, I have 5 Magna pens. And then open the dot chambers.